Problem 5.13. At 650 degrees centigrade, phosphine vapor decomposes as follows. The stoichiometric equation is 4pH3 gives rise to P4 plus 6H2. And the rate of the reaction minus Ra is equal to K into Ca. What size of plug flow reactor operating at 649 degrees centigrade and 11.4 atmosphere is needed for 75% conversion of 10 mole per hour of phosphine? So what are the conditions? The temperature is given and then the pressure, right? The conversion is 75% is needed. And the other things are 2/3 phosphine and 1/3 inert feed. So this is a given data. Fa0 is equal to 10 mole per hour, 2/3 phosphine and 1/3 inerts. 4 pH3 gives rise to P4 plus 6H2. This is the stoichiometric equation given, and the rate equation minus Ra minus Ra, which is equal to 10 power inverse of C phosphine. Now here, for a first order reaction, apply equation 5.21. This is for a plug flow reactor. So we know that K into Ca0 V divided by Fa0 is equal to 1 plus epsilon A ln of 1 by 1 minus Xa minus epsilon A Xa. So let us evaluate the terms. So if we evaluate the terms, here if we evaluate Ca0, we know that Ca0 is equal to Pa0 divided by Rt. So as per the given data, 11.4 into 2 by 3 divided by R is equal to 0.08206. This is a liter atmosphere per mole Kelvin into 649 plus 273 Pa by divided by RT. So Ca0 is equal to, if you calculate, it is 0.1 mole per liter. K value is equal to minus Ra is equal to K into Ca. So K is equal to 10 our inverse and Fa0. So what is Fa0? Fa0 is given, already we have written here. So epsilon A, let us calculate epsilon A. Epsilon A is equal to, as per the stoichiometric equation, 4A gives rise to 7R. So 1 plus 6 minus 4 divided by 4, and as per the given data where 2/3 of phosphine is present, so epsilon A is equal to 0.5. We have this equation. From this we can calculate V, the volume of a plug flow reactor. So what would be the volume? We already know K, Ca0, Fa0 value, and epsilon A and Xa value. So just substitute all these values in the above equation, so we can calculate V value. 10 divided by 10 into 0.1, 1 plus 0.5, ln of 1 by 0.25, 1 minus XA, minus 0.5 into 0.75. If you solve it, the volume of plug flow reactor is equal to 17 liter. So as per the given data where we have calculated volume of plug flow reactor. 5.13 solution. Problem 5.14. A stream of pure gaseous reactant A enters a plug flow reactor at a flow rate of 540 millimole per minute, and polymer is therefore as follows. The given stoichiometric equation 3A gives rise to R, and the rate equation minus RA is equal to 54. What we need to calculate here? How large a reactor is needed. So we need to calculate the volume of a reactor. For what purpose? To lower the concentration of A in the exit stream to Ca is equal to 330 millimole per liter. So here, what is the given reactor? It's a plug flow reactor. Stoichiometric equation is given and the rate equation is given. And other condition Ca0 and Fa0 is given. Right, so we need to calculate the reactor volume. What is the reactor volume needed to lower the concentration of A in the exit stream? So let us write down the given data. So it is 5.14. Ca0 is equal to 660 millimole per liter, and then Fa0 is equal to 540 millimole per minute. What is the stoichiometric equation given? 3A gives rise to R. This is my reaction. And rate of reaction minus RA is equal to 54 millimole per liter minute. So what is CAF? We need to calculate the volume of a plug flow reactor, 330 millimole per liter. Right. So here, for varying density, what is Ca? We already know Ca is equal to Ca0 into 1 minus Xa divided by 1 plus epsilon A Xa. So here substitute the values. What is Ca? Ca is equal to 330, which is equal to Ca0 into 1 minus Xa divided by 1 minus epsilon A. So what is epsilon A? So epsilon A is equal to, as per the stoichiometric equation, where we have 1 minus 3 divided by 3, which is equal to minus 2 divided by 3. Just substitute here, minus 2 by 3 into Xa. So from this, where we will be getting Xa is equal to 0.75. Now what we need to calculate? So we need to calculate the volume. Let's write tau for plug flow reactor is equal to volume of plug flow reactor to the volumetric flow rate V naught, and V of a plug flow reactor is equal to tau P into V naught. Right? So these we can write it as tau P into V naught, we can write it as Fa naught divided by Ca naught. So Fa naught value is there for us, Fa naught is given and Ca naught value is given, right? So Ca naught is given. So what we need to calculate to get the volume of a plug flow reactor? So we need to have tau P. So for tau of a plug flow reactor, which is equal to integral Ca naught integral 0 to Xa dxa by minus Ra, which is equal to, we can write it as Ca naught into Xa divided by minus Ra. Substitute the values here. So tau P is equal to 660 into 0.75 divided by 54. So what is the value of tau P? Tau P is equal to 9.17 minute. And volume, so V is equal to, from the above equation where we have this equation, we got tau P value, Fa naught and Ca naught value is there. Just substitute those values. So V of a plug flow reactor is equal to, so tau P is equal to 9.17 into, so Fa naught is equal to 540 divided by Ca naught is equal to 660. So volume of a plug flow reactor is equal to, where we have 7.5 liter. So to reach the final concentration CAF is equal to 330 millimole per liter, what should be the volume of plug flow reactor? It should be 7.5 liters. Problem 5.15. A gaseous feed of pure A enters a mixed flow reactor. Here the reactor given as a mixed flow reactor, a volume of 2 liters, and reacts as follows. 2A gives rise to R is my stoichiometric equation. The rate of equation minus Ra is equal to 0.05 Ca square. Find what feed rate will give an outlet concentration Ca is equal to 0.5 mole per liter. So the type of reactor given here is a mixed flow reactor. Problem 5.15 solution. So it is a mixed flow reactor. 2A gives rise to R and rate equation minus Ra is equal to 0.05 Ca square mole per liter second. Let us write down the given data. Ca is equal to 0.5 mole per liter. So we need to calculate the feed rate, liter per minute. Ca naught is equal to 1 mole per liter. Let us calculate epsilon A here. Epsilon A is equal to, as per the stoichiometric equation given, 1 minus 2 divided by 2 is equal to minus 0.5. And what is Xa? So Xa is equal to Ca naught minus Ca divided by Ca naught plus epsilon A Ca. If you substitute the values, then we will be getting 1 minus 0.5 divided by 1 plus minus 0.5 into 0.5. So Xa is equal to 2 by 3. For a mixed flow reactor, now for mixed flow reactor, we know that tau m is equal to V by V naught is equal to Ca naught into Xa divided by minus Ra. So what is V naught? V naught is equal to V into minus Ra divided by Ca naught into Xa. So let us substitute the values here. So volume of a mixed flow reactor is 2. And what is minus Ra? Minus Ra is equal to 0.05 into Ca square. So what is the value of Ca? 0.5 square divided by Ca naught into Xa. So 1 into 2 divided by 3. So if you solve it, then we will be getting volume is equal to 0.0375 liter per second. So V naught is equal to 2.25 liter per minute. So as per the given conditions where we can see here, so the volume of a mixed flow reactor is 2.25 liter per minute. Sorry, feed rate V naught. (5.16) Gaseous reactant A decomposes as follows. A gives rise to 3R and rate of reaction minus Ra is equal to K into Ca. Find the conversion of A in 50% A, 50% inert feed, and feed rate is given, Ca naught is given. Right? We need to find out the conversion of A to a 1 meter cube mixed flow reactor. So what type of reactor it is? It is a mixed flow reactor. Right? So problem 5.16. So let us write down the given data. So the type of reactor is mixed flow reactor. A gives rise to 3R and rate of reaction minus Ra is equal to 0.6 minute inverse into Ca. So other data given, V naught is equal to 180 liter per minute and Ca naught is equal to 300 millimole per liter. And volume of a mixed flow reactor is 1 meter cube. So for a mixed flow reactor, tau m is equal to V by V naught is equal to Ca naught Xa divided by minus Ra. So let it be equation 1. So already we know this. So let us calculate epsilon A. Epsilon A from the stoichiometric equation and given conditions 50% inerts. So 3 minus 1 divided by 1 into 0.5. So epsilon A is equal to 1. So what is the rate of reaction? Minus RA is equal to K into CA. So let us know this minus RA. So minus RA is equal to 0.6 CA. So we can write this CA as 0.6 into CA is equal to CA naught into 1 minus XA divided by 1 plus epsilon A XA. So if you substitute this, so we will be getting minus RA is equal to 0.6 CA naught into 1 minus XA divided by 1 plus XA. So where we have for a mixed flow reactor, tau m is equal to V by V naught. So which is equal to 1000 divided by 800. So this tau is equal to V by V naught, which is equal to CA naught into XA by minus RA. So CA naught into XA and minus RA. Substitute this minus RA here. So if you substitute this minus RA in equation number 1, so we will be getting 1 plus XA divided by 0.6 CA naught into 1 minus XA. So if we solve this equation, we will be getting, so CA naught and CA naught which is cancelled. So XA into 1 plus XA divided by 0.6 into 1 minus XA. So if we solve this equation, we will be getting, so 3 into XA square plus 13 XA minus 10 is equal to 0. Right? So tau m value we already know. So the 1000 divided by 800. So you can solve this equation. So finally we will getting this. So we solve this for XA. So XA is equal to minus 13 plus or minus square root of 13 square plus 40 into 3 divided by 2 into 3. So XA value where we will be getting 0.67. Right? So XA is equal to 0.67. Problem 5.17. 1 liter per second of a 20% ozone, 80% air mixture at 1.5 atmosphere and 93 degrees centigrade passes through a plug flow reactor. So under these conditions, ozone decomposes by homogeneous reaction. 2O3 gives rise to 3O2. And a rate of reaction given minus RA is equal to K into Ca square. So K value is given. What size reactor is needed for 50% decomposition of ozone? What is the volume of reactor which we need to calculate? 5.17. So let us write down the given data. 2O3 gives rise to 3O2. So the rate of reaction minus RA is equal to K into Ca square. So K value is given. K is equal to 0.05 liter per mole second. So if you see here, we have the different conditions, the plug flow reactor. So we need to calculate the volume of a plug flow reactor. And the conversion here 20% ozone and 80% A, and volume is equal to V is equal to 1 liter per second, the feed rate. And the different conditions have given the pressure is equal to 1.5 atmosphere and temperature is equal to 93 degrees centigrade, and then the ultimate conversion is equal to 0.5. Here for a second order reaction, so apply equation 5.23. V is equal to V naught divided by Ca naught into K, 2 into epsilon A 1 plus epsilon A ln of 1 minus Xa plus epsilon A square into Xa plus epsilon A plus 1 whole square Xa divided by 1 minus Xa. So we know that Ca naught is equal to Pa naught divided by RT, which is equal to 1.5 into 0.2 divided by 0.08206 into 366. So this is equal to 0.01 mole per liter. And what is epsilon A? Epsilon A is equal to 3 minus 2 divided by 2 into 0.2 is equal to 0.1. So we got all the values and substitute in the above equation. So we will be getting the value of the volume. So if you substitute the value above values, 1 divided by 0.01 into 0.05 into 2 into 0.1 into 1 plus 0.1 ln of 1 minus 0.5 plus 0.1 square into 0.5 plus 0.1 plus 1 whole square into 0.5 divided by 1 minus. So after solving this equation, the volume which we get is 2125 liters, right? So this is the volume of the reactor.